The AI and semiconductor revolution is accelerating at a breathtaking pace. But here's a question for you. Are you capitalizing on the AI boom, or are you watching from the sidelines? What if you could get ahead of the curve and spot the next NVIDIA or another groundbreaking semiconductor stock before it skyrockets in value? Stick around because we're about to dive into some of the most exciting opportunities in this space. Governments and major venture capital firms are pouring billions into this space, creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. In the United States, the CHIPS Act is funneling substantial funds into domestic chip makers to bolster their capacity. Just recently, SoftBank CEO Masa Son joined forces with former President Donald Trump to unveil a staggering $100 billion investment plan targeting AI development and the infrastructure needed to support it. AI is no longer just a futuristic buzzword. While we've been discussing its potential for years, the industry still has immense room to grow. Cutting-edge chip designs and massive data centers are at the heart of this expansion, powering the advanced language models that are reshaping industries. For example, Amazon announced it will invest $25 billion in new data centers in Ohio alone, a clear testament to the insatiable demand for AI-driven solutions. Today, we'll explore 3 semiconductor stocks emerging as potential leaders in this booming sector. These companies are positioning themselves at the forefront of the AI wave, and 2 of them are now outperforming NVIDIA, a name synonymous with AI and semiconductors. Let's dive in. Micron Technology, ticker MU, recently secured a $6.1 billion subsidy through the CHIPS Act to fuel its growth in New York and Idaho, where the company plans to invest another $125 billion in manufacturing. But before we proceed, here's a question. What's your take on government subsidies in driving innovation? Comment your thoughts below. Meanwhile, Broadcom, ticker AVGO, and Marvell Technology, ticker MRVL, are delivering outstanding quarterly earnings, thanks to skyrocketing demand for custom AI silicon. These companies are showing remarkable strength in the semiconductor market, supported by upward earnings revisions and promising growth catalysts. Curious about what makes these stocks so compelling? Let's break it down. Custom AI. Silicon, the next big thing. The semiconductor landscape is rapidly evolving, and custom AI silicon is emerging as a transformative trend. NVIDIA continues to dominate AI infrastructure with its comprehensive stack of solutions. However, hyperscale customers, those running massive data centers, are increasingly seeking chips designed to handle specific workloads. This demand has created an opportunity for companies like Marvell Technology and Broadcom, which specialize in custom chip designs. Broadcom's custom AI networking segment is growing at an incredible pace, posting a 158% year-over-year increase in revenue. This growth is adding billions to the company's bottom line. Similarly, Marvell Technology is gaining significant momentum in the AI space, projecting 20% quarter-over-quarter growth in the coming year. Together, these companies are spearheading the rise of a new semiconductor industry focused on tailored AI solutions. Have you ever wondered how the technology behind your favorite apps or cloud services is powered? It's these custom chips that are making it possible. Imagine the potential for investors as demand continues to surge. Comment below with your thoughts on the future of custom silicon. What makes Broadcom and Marvell particularly exciting is their recent stock performance. Broadcom has climbed to a Zacks rank number 3, hold, signaling upward revisions in earnings estimates. Marvell, on the other hand, boasts a Zacks rank number 1, strong buy, with earnings estimates up by 13.7% in the past month alone. Both stocks have shown remarkable price momentum and are now leaders within the semiconductor sector. Looking at their growth trajectories, it's hard not to be optimistic. Both companies have seen their stock prices surge recently, driven by the explosive demand for custom AI chips. While some consolidation is expected in the short term, a new bull run could be on the horizon. Micron Technology, a hidden gem. Micron Technology's story is a bit different but equally compelling. While the company isn't as deeply entrenched in the AI ecosystem as Broadcom or Marvell, it's poised to benefit immensely from the growing demand for servers and memory. The AI boom is driving unprecedented need for DRAM and NAND chips, both of which are Micron's specialties. Projections for Micron are eye-catching. Sales are expected to climb 52% this year and another 24% next year, with earnings projected to soar by 66% this year and 45% next year. Despite these impressive growth forecasts, Micron is trading at a forward earnings multiple of just 13 times, which is relatively low compared to its peers. This valuation aligns with the company's historical median, making it an attractive option for value-conscious investors. While Micron doesn't yet show the same stock price momentum as Broadcom and Marvell, its technical setup is appealing. Over the past 3 months, Micron has actually outperformed NVIDIA, a notable achievement. If the stock breaks above the $110 level, it could be the start of a significant rally. Does this sound like a stock worth watching? Let us know in the comments. Why consider investing in MU, AVGO, and MRVL? The case for these three semiconductor stocks is undeniably strong. Broadcom and Marvell are trailblazers in the emerging custom AI silicon industry, capitalizing on the shift towards specialized chip designs. Meanwhile, Micron offers robust growth prospects and an attractive valuation, particularly for those seeking exposure to the broader semiconductor market. Several factors further enhance the appeal of these stocks. For one, U.S. policies like the CHIPS Act continue to provide strong support for the semiconductor industry, ensuring a favorable business environment. Additionally, the relentless pace of AI advancements guarantees sustained demand for cutting-edge chips and supporting technologies. But no investment is without risk. While the prospects for these companies are bright, potential investors should also consider the challenges. Broadcom and Marvell are operating in a highly competitive space, and their success hinges on maintaining technological leadership. Micron, on the other hand, faces volatility in memory chip pricing, which could impact its profitability. Looking at the table, Broadcom stands out with the highest revenue of $51.57 billion and a solid gross margin of 57.24%, making it a strong performer in profitability. Micron Technology, with an impressive EPS of $3.46, showcases its earnings potential, coupled with a market cap of $100 billion. Meanwhile, Marvell Technology, despite a negative EPS of negative $1.71, maintains a robust market cap of $97 billion, signaling investor confidence in its future growth. Each stock offers unique advantages, depending on whether you prioritize revenue, profitability, or long-term growth potential. A promising future for AI and semiconductors is here. The AI and semiconductor industries are inextricably linked, with advancements in one fueling growth in the other. As AI applications become more pervasive, the demand for powerful and efficient chips will only increase. For investors, this presents a golden opportunity to participate in one of the most exciting technological revolutions of our time. Before we close, here's something to ponder. Where do you see the semiconductor industry heading in the next 5 years? Drop your insights in the comments, and let's start a discussion. So, should you consider adding MU, AVGO, and MRVL to your portfolio? Their growth trajectories, coupled with supportive industry trends and favorable U.S. policies, make a compelling case. But as always, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Simple Investing Secrets for more content like this. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. But before we wrap up, here's a parting question. What's the one stock you're most excited about right now in the semiconductor space? Comment below and let's discuss. See you in the next video.